Alright, so we got glue, we got wax in each one of them. So now the fun part, this is a lot of praying. Because one of these bad boys turns a certain direction and it just gets complicated. And this one's starting to look like a snake. Oh, good Lord, this ain't gonna work. I get the feeling I'll be doing this one over again, but you gotta give it a shot. So we're gonna try this ever so slightly. Start with a little pressure. And you should have squeeze out on the bottom, top, bottom, top. And they look like that's about the best that I'm gonna get them. So now you put a little pressure on it, try to make sure that you're on there straight. And of course it's off a little bit, front and back. As close as you can. Tighten it down. Alright. And tomorrow, cut the back off of it, paint it some more.